Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. Today's video we're going to talk about how you can get yourself a GCash Mastercard. Previously, you will only be able to get a GCash Mastercard if you're going to visit a Globe store, but today GCash has actually rolled out a way for you to be able to order a GCash Mastercard online. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so in order for you to be able to order this Mastercard, what you'll need to do is to go to this website. Now, previously there is a link inside the app where you can just tap on that ad strip right within the app, and you can order from the app itself, but right now it's missing. You can't, even if you find it and you tap on it, it doesn't work anymore. So right now what they have done is they have this website where you can go to, and you just have to fill out the details of the information requested. So you just have to enter the mobile number, and then of course provide the full name as well as the home address. So we'll just have to put in the details here. So you just have to take that if you have the same delivery address, and also make sure that you tick those boxes for the authorization and the terms and condition. Once you have filled out those information, just go click on next, and then just verify that the information that you have entered are correct. Now you will see here that there is a reminder that the deduction of your account, the deduction of 150 pesos from your account will take about 24 hours, and that's what's going to happen. Now once you have that confirmed, you just have to submit verification details, and then there you go. Now you should also be expecting a phone call verifying the order, at the same time the shipping address. Then after that, the charge of 150 kicked in. So that's the simple, quick and easy way for you to order online for a Mastercard for your GCash account. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave those questions in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.